Hillbilly Nitro, your internet knife and gun guru. Here we are, guys, back with another episode. Yeah, spring is in the air here in East Tennessee, and we got another knife vid to crank out. So appreciate you guys stopping by and hanging out with a brother. Boom, we got a mail call. You guys have probably seen what is in the title. So without further ado, we will get to this. We got the old paramilitary 2 out here, so we're gonna open her up. Been looking forward to opening this one right here. Didn't know if we was gonna get a number 85 on this 2021 score. We got one, guys. We got one in here. Look at that. There it is. Peanuts. Classified info. We'll leave that in there. We will give a plug there. Appreciate them. I don't see any stickers in there. There could be one in there. I don't know. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Crown lifter. She is open. There she is. Natural canvas micarta. This is gonna be pretty cool, guys. This is gonna be a cool one. What do you guys think? What do you guys think about this 2020 run of number 85s crown lifters? That's something different. So I guess we'll just pop it with this African blackwood here. There we go. What a beauty. You guys have seen this one. Wipe that blade off a little bit. There we go. So, yeah, we got a few peanuts in there. We'll save those for later. You heard that, didn't you? Look what we got, guys. Very sweet. That's cool. That is cool. You guys ready? I'm ready. Natural canvas. I see it. Look there, a little soda pop right there. Here we go. What a beauty. What a beauty. Look at that satin finish there, or brushed. I consider it brushed, but they refer to it as satin. And I'll tell you the beauty about this satin right here is you can take some like 600 to 800 grit sandpaper if you get a little scuffs on there or you want to clean that up a little bit. Run that 800 grit across through there wet. Careful not to get it'll have some blackness to it there, so you got to keep it off your scales there, but you can clean those bolsters up real nice if you carry it in your pocket. What a beauty. Look at that, guys. Feels nice too. I love a 2-blade, you guys know that. Let's take a look around her here. Very nice. Very nice. Blade centering on the money. On the money, honey. Oh, this is a beauty. I love it. I love it. Let's check that pull there. Very nice. Very nice. Before we get going here, a little ballast saw down in there. There we go. Ballast saw there. That pull is about, let me check that one more time. I'd say that's about a 6.5. Very close to a 7, but about a 6.5. Look at that big old fat spear. I love it. Let's wipe that off very carefully. That etching just looks great on there. Look at that etching. Very nice. I'll have to blade again. There we go. Let's pull this out now. Well, oh, we have a bird joining us. He's here. Now that is about, I'm gonna give that about a 7 3/4. Not quite an 8, probably a 7 3/4 on that pull. Wipe that off. It's got the oil on it. We've got some rub there on the liner there. What a beauty of a knife there, guys. That is just a beauty. Look at that. Man, that's a beauty. There it is compared to the, year was this, 2019? 2018. 2018 there, number 85. Those spears are just beautiful. I love a big fat spear point. Yeah, that's about a 7 3/4, very close to an 8 there on that cap popper there. And a little screwdriver if you need one. I love a tube blade, guys. Even if it's a blade or a crown lifter or whatever, I don't know. It just gives you a little extra use there, especially a crown lifter. Look at that. That's just a beauty. That spear out there again. Yeah, about a 6.5 to 6 3/4 around that area on that pull right there. Let's measure up right there next to this 85 here. Very nice. Let's get you some weights and measures here, and we'll get you guys back to whatever you were doing. I just wanted to pull this one out. I hadn't had it out in a while. This old number 71. Check that old OD green linen micarta right there. That's just, this is a user right here. Got some use on her. One of my favorites. One of my first GEC knives that I have scored. One of the first. Actually, the first, I guess you could say. Of course, I got 3 at one time, but anyways, let's measure her up here. We'll get you guys on your way for today. Shout out to all the new subscribers we got in. We got a lot of new subscribers, guys. The channel is bumping. The channel is bumping here. So let's get you the cutting edge here. Right there you are on your cutting edge. Your full blade. That's about your full blade right there, overall, right there. And of course not. So we'll get this old school thing right here out. The Zippo. She's kind of hard to read, but she'll do the job. We're just under 6.5, just under 6.5. I know it doesn't look like that on camera, but just under 6.5. Very nice. Man, those are beauties right there, guys. I love them. The battery is dead in the scales here, so I don't think it's gonna come on. No, it's flickering, but It's dead. So no weights today. We need to get some, oh, hey, come on. Is it gonna work for you? Oh, it's working. It's working. I just wanted to show you a difference in the weight of the single blade and the cap lifter here. There's a 78.3. Zero out, zero out. There you go. 59.7. So there's your little difference in grams there. She's not gonna switch over to ounces. Nope. Anyways, guys, that's gonna wrap this one up. Man, look at that. Just some beauties right there. Love that satin blade. There's your cap once again there. Crown lifter. This is probably going to be the hit of 2021 in my opinion. That's my little prediction right there. The best knife of 2021, number 85 Crown Lifter. I've seen some of those bone handled ones. Man, they're beauties. Anyways, guys, let's take one more look around her here and then we'll wrap this up. Pull that out right there. There you go. Look at that edge one more time. That's just cool. Look around her here. Number 85, bullet and jack, guys, in the history books. Anyways, guys, I appreciate you guys stopping by and hanging out with me. I got a beautiful piece of pizza in there waiting on me to eat, a nice tombstone. It's waiting on me, so it's nice and warm. So we'll catch you guys on the next episode, guys. Thank you guys for stopping by. Hillbilly, over and out of here, guys. Peace. See you guys.